Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a beautiful morning. I hope all is well with you. Today, I would like to bring you guys with me, share with me. I'm going to harvest that rutabaga. Yeah, I'm going to harvest that rutabaga today and I'm going to eat it for lunch. Yeah. But listen, guys, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Oh, look at this big mama bloom this morning. She is like a watermelon color. Yeah, it's like a watermelon color. Beautiful. Patio. Hibiscus. I love these flowers. I put my leeks and my onions out here so they could be in the sun, but their bottom is so flat that if I would sit them on this flat table, that they wouldn't be able to drain properly. So these little blings, I guess, I purchased them from the Dollar Tree. You get them in a bag, and I just set 4 here, and I'm just gonna set the tray right on it. So now they have some flow going on in there. Well, you can't see them, but they're in there. But they're not sitting flat on the this wood, so they could drain. Yeah. So they're doing good. I think they could do better just by me putting them out here in the sun. Yeah. Alright guys, I promised you all I was going to bring y'all with me when I harvest this rutabaga. Yeah. So I'm going to harvest her and I'm going to cook her today for my lunch. She's very easy to come up, I tell you. Look at the worms. See that? Because they're like, wait a minute. Here she is. It's a nice size rutabaga. So guys, I'm gonna clean her up. I'll peel her. So I was thinking about roasting this rutabaga, but I don't think I'm gonna roast it. I think I'm gonna put it on the stove. Yeah. But I do have 2 more in here. Let's see. I have one there and one over there. So let's see. Yeah, better 2 bits. And this is a purple kohlrabi. But yeah, so we got 2 left. We're gonna go clean her up because it's lunchtime. Yay! So most rutabagas are hard to cut, and they are hard to cut. Those are the ones that you purchase from the store because they put this wax on them. But of course, you know that I harvest this from my garden, and yeah, it's very easy to peel. Very. And so the wax that they put on the rutabaga in the store is to preserve it till they get to the consumer. I'll be back. Alright guys, so y'all see I like a lot of pepper. Now this is just a piece of butter, salt and pepper. That's all I put in here right now. We're gonna let them boil until they are soft, like potatoes. Lunch is bubbling away. It's bubbling. Yeah. All right, everyone. My rutabagas are done. They done. And I got my baby with me. Boom.
And I got my nails in.
So we have some shrimp that I cooked. Yeah, y'all been shrimping it out, shrimping it out. And this is my plate, and these are my shrimps right there. So let's taste these. All right. I want to taste the rutabagas first.
Even though I already tasted these, so I know what they taste like.
Okay. Oh my!
That tastes like
That is so good.
I'm trying to think of the
broccoli.
Broccoli.
Okay, so listen, guys. They are so sweet and wonderful. Wait. Go ahead on. Tell me.
It's like sweet broccoli.
Like sweet broccoli? So, rutabaga is between a broccoli and a cabbage. It is a brassica. And oh my.
That's good.
I'm
almost done.
I know you didn't have a lot.
My first time having
They're so good. And I just put salt, pepper, butter, and a little sugar. You gotta have a little sugar. Y'all know that's that southern in me. That's that southern girl in me. But it's so good. If you ever have the opportunity to grow rutabagas, grow. What they should do, mommy?
If you have a chance to grow rutabaga, grow it.
Grow it. It's delicious.
It's delicious.
Yes.
And it's not that long to cook. I don't think so. I wasn't here the whole time, but it's not that long to cook, and it tastes so good. So
it is good. Yeah. All right, guys. Let me get back here because I got a little bit more in the pot. All right.
For now. Lady up for now.
All right, guys. So we are over here by the peas. So I did, let's see. I did open some. So these are the peas. I think they are the little marbles. Yeah. And I gotta hurry up and get them in, y'all, because it looks like it's gonna rain. I felt a couple of drops. Yeah, a couple of drops went down, so we'll see. Now, so I like to plant my peas close. I do. And I never had any problems with them. I always had great peas, wonderful peas. And they always came up, and they always was beautiful and delicious. All right, guys, so I've done this side here and this side here. Let's see, that side, right? So it is about to rain, so yeah, I'm going in. Hopefully we can get back out today. It usually don't last. All right, guys. He looked like a snake. He's so big, but it's a worm. Boy, he's so big. Wow. So we're gonna drop these seeds, and this is just some blue morning glories with these peas, because I like to have flowers growing with them. Yep. Let's see. Yeah, I like to have morning glories growing in between the peas and on the cucumbers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's cute, y'all. It's cute. All right. I want to thank you all for hanging out with me today. I've had a wonderful day. Absolutely. It did rain a little bit, but it didn't last long at all. Not at all. And I did finish those peas. Yes, yes. But I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you all have a wonderful evening. Later, y'all.